Did you know that making your own evaporated milk takes just one ingredient and about 25 minutes of your time? Learn how to make your own, and you will never need that canned stuff ever again. So, our only ingredient is whole milk, and you can use a plant based milk alternative if you want. The first step is to just bring the milk to a simmer in a pan. You want it to be somewhere in between a simmer and a boil, but you don't want it to boil for too long. As soon as it reaches the boil, you're just going to lower the temperature to low, and you'll just continue to simmer over low, mixing every 5 minutes or so just to make sure things don't solidify too much. And you'll do this for about 25 minutes or until the milk has significantly reduced by half and is light beige in color. From there, you'll just strain out any of the milk solids, and it's important to store this in an airtight jar in your fridge. It should keep for up to 5 days. It's important to note that the ratio of milk you use compared to the amount of evaporated milk that you end up with will be about 2 to 1. So use 2 cups of whole milk to result in 1 cup of evaporated milk, and so on. And from there, you can use it in whatever recipe you like. I enjoy using this in my flan recipes or as a really delicious creamer in coffee.